Healthy breakfast ideas for seniors, silent diet damagers, and what to eat instead. Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Channel Name. I'm so glad you're joining me today as we tackle one of the most important meals of the day, breakfast. But here's the twist. Some common breakfast foods might be silently working against your health as you age. Today, we're uncovering those hidden saboteurs and swapping them for delicious, nutrient-packed alternatives that support your energy, muscles, and overall vitality. Let's make your mornings work for you, not against you. First, why does breakfast matter so much after 50? As we age, 3 big changes happen. 1. Metabolism slows by about 100 calories per decade. 2. Muscle mass declines, that's sarcopenia, making protein crucial. 3. Nutrient absorption drops, especially for vitamin B12 and protein. A nutrient-rich breakfast combats these changes, stabilizes blood sugar, and fuels your brain and body for the day ahead. 3 common breakfast foods that harm aging bodies: cereals and instant oatmeal packets. These seem convenient, but they're often loaded with added sugars, sometimes 3 to 4 teaspoons per serving. Studies link high sugar intake to inflammation, accelerated skin aging, and increased diabetes risk in seniors. The refined carbs also spike blood sugar, leaving you hungry by mid-morning. Whole grain oats or quinoa. Choose unsweetened steel-cut oats or quinoa. They're packed with fiber to regulate digestion and blood sugar. Top with anti-inflammatory berries for natural sweetness. Pro tip: prep overnight oats in jars for busy mornings. Low-fat yogurts with fruit syrup. Many diet yogurts remove fat, but add sugar or artificial sweeteners. Pro tip: prep overnight oats in jars for busy mornings. Low-fat yogurts with fruit syrup. Many diet yogurts remove fat, but add sugar or artificial sweeteners. 1 cup can hide 20+ grams of sugar. That's like eating 5 sugar cubes. This disrupts gut health and lacks the healthy fats needed for brain function. Worse, low-fat options often skip probiotics essential for senior digestion. Full-fat plain Greek yogurt. Go for full-fat plain Greek yogurt. It's rich in protein, 17 grams per cup, to protect muscles, probiotics for gut health, and healthy fats. Add chia seeds or walnuts for omega-3s. Too tart? Sweeten with mashed banana or a drizzle of honey. Processed breakfast meats, bacon, sausage. Bacon and sausages are high in sodium, nitrates, and saturated fats. Just 2 slices of bacon can contain 500 milligrams of sodium, nearly 1/4 of a senior's daily limit. Excess sodium raises blood pressure, increasing stroke risk, while processed meats are linked to heart disease. Eggs or smoked salmon. Eggs are a senior superfood. They're packed with high-quality protein and choline for brain health. Research shows up to 3 eggs daily is safe for most seniors. Smoked salmon is another great option, rich in omega-3s for joint and heart health. Why these swaps transform your health? Let's break down why these swaps are game changers. Protein power. Seniors need 1.2 to 1.7 grams per kilogram of body weight daily to fight muscle loss. Eggs, Greek yogurt, and salmon deliver this without unhealthy additives. Fiber focus. Whole grains and seeds prevent constipation, affecting 40% of seniors, and feed good gut bacteria. Healthy fats. Omega-3s in seeds and salmon reduce inflammation linked to arthritis and memory decline. Simple, senior-friendly breakfast ideas. Idea 1. Veggie-packed omelet. Whisk 2 eggs with spinach, mushrooms, and turmeric. Anti-inflammatory. Cook in olive oil. Serve with avocado slices. Idea 2. No-cook berry parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, frozen berries thawed overnight, and almonds in a glass. Drizzle with 1 teaspoon honey. Idea 3. Savory oatmeal. Cook oats in low-sodium broth. Top with a soft boiled egg, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of hemp seeds. Next time, we'll dive into 5 superfoods that reverse aging from within, including a surprising spice that boosts metabolism. Plus, I'll share make-ahead freezer recipes for days when cooking feels overwhelming. Tell me in the comments, Which breakfast swap will you try first? If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. It helps us reach more seniors like you. Stay strong and nourished, my friends. Until next time.